Hello everyone! Today I will share my personal opinion about some of the best pool cleaners for Pebble Tec pools. For the price and more information, click the link in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which pool cleaners for Pebble Tec pools are you using right now? And what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Your support will help to keep me running, so please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. Dolphin is one of the leading names when it comes to robotic pool cleaners. Having a robotic cleaner is not a cheap option, but it is well worth the price in the long run. Robotic cleaners do not run through your pool's filter system and therefore will not require a booster pump. This is some excellent news and should provide added savings and less wear and tear on your pool equipment. This cleaner is designed for a pool up to 50 feet, and it comes with 3-year quality assurance from Dolphin. The pool cleaner will have this job done in 3 hours. Cleaning the walls and sides of the pool is accomplished quite easily with this model. It uses a clever clean algorithm to make sure that all areas of your pool are accounted for. The Dolphin Premier can be set to clean your pool daily, every other day, or every third day. This is an easy-to-use option with 3 filter options. With the programmable options and settings, this filter can work exactly the way you need it to. Number 2. Polaris F9550 Pool Cleaner. For just a few dollars less than the Dolphin Premier, you can purchase a Polaris F9550. This is a 4-wheel drive robotic cleaner that is capable of cleaning all pool surfaces. Similar to the Dolphin Clever Clean technology, the Polaris has what they call active motion sensor technology. This unit will scope out your pool and develop a plan for cleaning it, with no problem getting in and out of tight corners, and it will work for pools up to 60 feet. There is a programmable timer on this model, as well as a remote. Polaris is giving you the ability to turn this on and move it where you need it to go. The problem that some users have with the Polaris is its longevity. Although this model works very well for several years, it does not seem to hold up as long as the Dolphin does. For the very slight difference in the price range, it may be worth going with the top model. Number 3. Polaris Vac Sweep 360. If we blew you out of the water with the pricing on our first 2 models, we will bring things back down to reality now with the Polaris Vac Sweep 360. The Polaris Vac Sweep 360 is the best value for the money when looking for a Pebble Tec pool cleaner. It features an automatic self-cleaning feature that ensures consistent operation and extended lifespan of the cell-exclusive tri-sensor technology provides reliable electronic water flow detection. The Polaris is not a robotic unit. This will plug directly into your existing pump, but it does not need a booster to operate. Regardless of the shape and size of your pool, this model will work. Also, the Polaris Vacsweep is capable of climbing walls, scrubbing, and vacuuming the bottom. The unit comes with a single-chamber bag capable of capturing large debris. The problems you see with this filter include clogging and missing certain areas of the pool. Pretty typical for non-robotic, automatic vacuum. Even considering those things, this pool cleaner is of great value. Number 4. Hayward Poolvergnuegen Pool Cleaner. Although this is still a decent pool cleaner, some things keep it out of the top spots. This Hayward is only a 2-wheel drive unit, and it is capable of cleaning pools up to 16 inches to 32 inches. If you remember, our top models could clean up to 50 feet. This is not considered to be a smart model as it will not scan your pool and develop a course of action. There are, however, multiple pre-programmed steering sequences. Based on the type of pool you have, these sequences could very likely get the job done. The biggest issue that customers seem to have with the Hayward Poolvergnuegen is that it doesn't hold up over time. As the years go, some of the many parts start to break and become less effective. The warranty on these products doesn't quite hold up to the issues that you will be left dealing with. The problems are likely not on every unit, but you may be taking a slight risk going with the Hayward model. Number 5. Polaris Vacsweep 3900 Pool Vacuum. The Vacsweep 3900 is quite a bit more money than the Polaris Vacsweep 360. Although not as expensive as the robotic models, this pool cleaner will cost you quite a bit. The Polaris Vacsweep 3900 claims to work in all Inground pools regardless of size or shape. This pool cleaner will require a Polaris booster pump to work correctly. Make sure to consider this expense when purchasing this unit. A booster pump is frustrating to buy, but it will make the vacuum work with quite a bit more power. It includes the Tail Sweep Pro, which provides a sizable sweeping action behind the unit. The sweeping helps to ensure all areas of the pool are scrubbed and swept. It also keeps water from spraying outside of the pool. A good majority of people swear by this pool cleaner while others struggle with the price for the quality of the job. It's known to clog frequently, causing some manual labor to fix the clog and get the cleaner back up and running. Thank you for watching this video. To get more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.